Hey again, Dr. Fedich here. Just could be a couple more little explanations. We find the patients that get better faster, stay better longer, the ones that know a little bit more about their condition and their health. Just want to explain a couple things to you real quick on this dry erase board. So one picture we like to draw a lot with patients is this. Up here is optimal health. So say we're 18 years old, everything feels good, everything's working good, we're doing great. So sometimes patients ask me, how come this happened? I just woke up one morning with back pain, neck pain, headaches, etc. And I like to explain it to them this way. So this is optimal health. You're born, everything works good. We fall a little bit, play some sports, sit at our desk too long, commuting too long. And next thing you know, we find ourselves below this line down here called the pain line. So normally things don't just happen overnight. They've kind of been developing there a little bit over time. And that's what we're seeing with a lot of our patients here. And what we do with chiropractic adjustments is boom, 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 boom. We get them across the pain line. What I want you to continue with your care a little bit after we're feeling a little bit better is we don't want to leave you just near that pain line where these things will come right back. So we want to do a series of more treatments to get you back up above that pain line as soon as possible. So how does this take usually? Usually this time period is about 90 days. Why 90 days? That's the length of time it takes for cells, tissue, and organs to heal. If you sprain your ankle, probably not playing basketball for about 90 days. That's just about how long these things take. So it takes a little time to get you feeling better. And then once you're better, we want to show you ways to keep better so these things don't keep coming back on you over time. It's kind of like stitches, this time usually 90 days, 24, 30 visits to get you there. Even longer sometimes with some people, but kind of tell people it's like stitches. The doctor told you need stitches for 30, 60 days, 20 stitches to get you better. You wouldn't tell them just put one or two stitches in and see how it works, right? You'd want the doctor to put in all 20 stitches to make sure it gets all the way better. So that's really, really important. It takes some time to heal. Another drawing we like to give people here is called the N diagram. Explain how chiropractic works a little bit. So we'll put that right in the middle there. So we all know we're 100% healthy here. All the body's chemistry is really important. So, right, the chemistry is not good in your stomach. We get heartburn. Chemistry not working, like diabetes. All these health problems really depends on your chemistry. Well, the chemistry of the body's controls, cells, tissue, and organs all control that chemistry, right? The pancreas secretes, other organs all secrete the chemistry of the body. And that's all ultimately controlled by the nervous system here, right? So your stomach wouldn't digest food or do anything without the brain telling the nerves, telling it to do so. So if that signal gets disrupted by a bone out of place or a subluxation, I call it, that gets disrupted, that electrical signal, then the electricity doesn't fire right, cells, tissue, and organs don't work right, and ultimately the chemistry of the body doesn't work right, we don't feel good. So that's kind of how these things happen. And the opposite will be true. So as we get you adjusted down here when you're not feeling well, we'll get the pressure off the nerve, the chemistry will start working well, the nerves will start working well, cells, tissue, and organs will start working well, and we'll get feeling and working better. And that's how chiropractic can help things besides back and neck pain. If we get the nervous system working properly, we're able to have the body communicate more properly to the other parts of the body. And that's how chiropractic can help all sorts of different things. So it's really important to get your friends and family under care. Sometimes we can help with things you might not be thinking about: colic, earaches, not sleeping well, digestive problems. All those things may be helped by chiropractic as we fix the nervous system. So it's just really important to maintain your health and take care of things when they're getting started.